Welcome to Linux Help, how to install Prometheus on Debian 12. Monitoring is a critical component of any production-grade infrastructure. Prometheus, an open-source monitoring solution, is widely used for its powerful querying language, efficient time series database, and seamless integration with a multitude of systems. This article guides you through the process of installing and configuring Prometheus on Debian 12, ensuring you have a solid monitoring foundation for your applications. Check the OS version by using following command. Update the system packages by using following command. Install the Prometheus by using following command. Configure the Prometheus by using following command. Make server IP instead of the local host. Save and quit the file by using following command. Restart the Prometheus service by using following command. Check status of Prometheus service by using following command. Go to the browser and search the server IP address with port number. This is the dashboard of Prometheus. So this is the steps to install Prometheus on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.